Good morning, friends. Commander Sudhir. I am going to talk about today that India is marching ahead to be a self-reliant nation. All of you have seen that the leadership of India under Shri Narendra Modi ji has contained the spread of COVID-19 very effectively by announcing 3 lockdowns, that is 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. We have been very successful to have recovery rate the best in the world and turning positive also very less again in the world. With this, now as you all are aware that this pandemic spread is not only in medical emergency, but it is going to turn into an economic emergency. All the nations were announcing different packages to survive during lockdowns, and India again was very proactive to announce a package of 1.7 lakh crore. The moment lockdown started, the first lockdown 1.0 on 24th March 2020 itself, and that was a very comprehensive package. But later on it was felt that more is needed. Then government was having deliberations. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, was having discussions with all the chief ministers, and now a massive package of 20 lakh rupees which has been announced. It has covered every sphere of life. It is going to cater MSME sector, the rural areas, the farmers, migrant laborers and businesses, the middle income group, and this package is so massive that it is covering so that the money in hand is going to be there for all categories, and migrant laborers are going to be taken care where they are. In this package, 3 lakh crore for MSME is going to bring MSME to a level that all the workers, those were there, they will start again earning their salaries, and it is an opportunity that MSME not only for providing the domestic products but the world over. Here the standards and the qualities are going to be defined so that the products made by MSME is not only going to compete internally but in global market. Now coming to the migrant laborers, there was a point that when they are going to their villages, to their hometown, how they are going to be taken care, how they will have money in hand. Now provisions have been made that in Manrega, if they are working in a village where they have reached, they can earn and they will be paid. And the Manrega daily wages has been increased. One nation, one ration card. This was to take care of the portability of laborers, the portability of migrant laborers. Again, this provision has been made, and shortly all the states will be coming up that any migrant labor anywhere could draw ration on digital platform. And even if his family is suppose staying at 2 places, he can still draw the partial at one place and otherwise his family or her family members at a different place. Secondly, the workers, those who are working in the projects, that they were staying 10 days at one place, 15 days some other place to a different state. So again, this portability of one nation, one ration card is going to solve this problem very shortly. So here it's a massive opportunity, and it is the duty of every one of us, all the citizens of India, that we contribute towards it. Indians are capable, Indians are hardworking, and maximum Indians are honest. They don't want any free things in their hand, but they want work. So this is an opportunity, the kind of a huge package which has been announced for the industry, for the farmers, for the migrant laborers, the small businesses, big businesses. I am sure that Indians will rise to this, and the mantra of that we are going to consume what is made locally. We must create our own brands, and by doing this, it's not only we are consuming, but we must propagate, we must make our brands popular. It is the time that I will request the businesses, the big businesses, they must drive manufacturing in India, that they are making quality products which could compete in the global market, and let's create Indian brands. I would like to mention one example. When NDA government came into power and Modi ji was sworn in as a Prime Minister in 2015, he requested people that please start using Khadi. That time the Khadi was hardly making any profit, and today the business of Khadi has gone near about 4,000 crores in a year. So this is the way that, like Khadi, there are so many other brands which can reach the global standards. But we have to take care of standards and quality. So let's move towards this. The call which has been given by Honorable Prime Minister, all of us dedicate ourselves that it is the most difficult time. We have to win this war against COVID, but beside that, there is an opportunity which is lying ahead of us, and to meet that opportunity, the Government of India under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi ji has announced a huge economic package. We must contribute towards making India a self-reliant nation. Jai Hind.